You can think about purpose in multiple senses, and we probably need to make it clear when we're talking about one versus another. So I think it's very appropriate to talk about purpose with a capital P, big purpose. And certainly the entire natural world fits into that. God has purposes for the universe. One of those important purposes is that it generates creatures like us who can develop a relationship with Him. And Christian faith says God has gone to incredible lengths to make it possible for creatures like us to relate to Him. So it's clear in that sense that the world is here in certain senses so that we might exist, and that's a big purpose for the world. So the processes by which we arose certainly reflect that larger purpose which transcends the universe itself. So that's a great way to think about purpose as it relates to biology. Now, I think the question also had something to do with whether we can talk about purpose in more kind of mechanistic ways as it has to do with biology. Scientists talk about purpose in some senses in that way as well, in the sense that certain processes have to happen in order that a structure in an organism or an organism's function in an ecosystem occurs. And those don't really presuppose someone behind the scenes tweaking things in a biological process in any particular way from the outside. What biologists mean by that is that the mechanisms within the biological process are leading to some event, and those are required for the final outcome that typically results from some sort of biological process. So often that's what biologists are meaning when they use purpose language. They're not meaning there's someone behind the curtain pulling strings rather like a puppet. That's not what they mean.